Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm really excited to be sharing with you a special box from Sips By. It is called the Tea Date Box and it is for Valentine's Day, and inside there's so many cool teas to share with you guys. I'm very excited, so if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea and let's get started with today's video. A huge thank you to Sips By for sending me this box to review, open up, and make delicious tea with. If you guys did not know, Sips By has some wonderful options for Valentine's Day, including this Valentine's Day Tea Box. Inside, you actually have enough tea to make 16 cups. You also have disposable tea filters and a reusable muslin cloth tea filter to steep loose leaf in too. And each one actually comes with a special postcard. Now, you actually get to pick which postcard you would like to add, which I think is so special. So now I'm going to share with you a look at the different teas inside the box, and later on I'm going to actually prepare 2 of the different teas in this box for you guys to show you how I like to make them. So here we have this OFFBLAK Squeeze Me tea, which was delicious. Next tea we have is actually called Cup of Romance, and this is, spoiler alert, one of the teas I make a little bit later in this video. Next up, we have this amazing Florentine lemon rose tea. This was amazing. I also end up making this tea a little bit later in the video. The packaging is so beautiful, you guys, and the scent of it, oh, it's so good. I also did really love the Cup of Romance scent too. I think that's why I ended up making those two. And then the last one here that we have is the Amoré tea by Golden Flourish. This smells good. I actually, since making this video, I haven't made it yet. I'm hoping to actually make it tomorrow. So I'll let you guys know on my Instagram stories at Fashion Storyteller what I think of it. Now let's dive into making some delicious tea. So I'm gonna make the lemon rose tea first. This just smelled amazing and the packaging is just so beautiful for Valentine's Day. Inside this tea, there's black tea, lemongrass, citrus peels, apple bits, pineapple bits, hibiscus, sweet blackberry leaves, rose petals, citrus slices, lemon, sunflower petals, marigold petals, natural citrus flavor, and citrus oil. And this does contain a little bit of caffeine. So I went ahead and I added this into my Sips By tea bag. And you want to steep this tea for about 3 minutes at 212 Fahrenheit. Up next, we have the Cup of Romance tea, and I just love the name of this tea. It's just such a cute name. Here's what they have to say about this tea. We blended sencha with green mate for an irresistible aroma of Black Forest cherry cake. The refined taste features cherries, nutty almonds, and coconuts with subtle hints of fresh rose petals. And this tea also contains caffeine, and they recommend to brew it at 175 Fahrenheit for about 2 to 3 minutes. I poured in my hot water in here, and I actually picked out 2 rose leaf mugs that I absolutely love. I got these at HomeSense like years ago, and I just think they're so fun for Valentine's Day. They're still kind of elegant and special. So have both of the teas brewing here. I'm going to be sharing one with a loved one, and I hope they're going to enjoy it too, but I'm probably going to sneak a taste of theirs too just so I can try it. Also, while the teas were steeping, of course, I had to have some delicious Valentine's Day sweets, so I was enjoying those there. After about 3 minutes, I took out the different teas. So as you can see here, all the leaves have opened up, and I'm just putting it on a little teapot tea tray that actually my friend Alina got for me. I love it. It actually has like the Mad Hatter tea party on there, which I think is so cute. Here's a nice look at the different colors of the teas. Beautiful color, and the taste of both of these were so delicious. I ended up making Cup of Romance for myself to enjoy later on. There was enough room, like you'd actually get a good amount of tea leaves in here to re-steep it again, and also to use up more of the tea in there. So here's again a little look at the different colors of the tea. They were so delicious and was just so good. I loved enjoying these with my loved one. They were so yummy, and they definitely wanted me to share my tea with them, so I definitely gave them some. Anyway, you guys, I'd love to know how you're planning to spend Valentine's Day. I definitely am a big fan of high tea, tea at home, tea anytime, really. So I'd love to know what your plans are. Anyway, you guys, I wish you a magical, wonderful rest of your day, a very happy Valentine's Day, whether you're celebrating it alone or with a loved one or with a bunch of loved ones. I hope it's wonderful. Take care, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.